Next, we'll take a moment to consider the node status display and what it's telling us. So I've gone back to everything off except preview so that you can see that we're not getting any raw counts and no information is being discovered from the hardware. So you'll notice that the node display has a network connection, and that's working correctly, but the clock to the control module, also known as a command module, is showing as red. So I'm going to turn the switch on for the control module, and you'll see that that comes on. Simultaneously, the battery information also shows that the control module now has power. So the next step is, if we look at the excitation buttons here, we start with no power. We have power for just excitation. I'll turn that on. Then I'll go to the next button and hover over it at the top of the screen. We have now excitation and amp power. If I turn that on, now we have the excitation on for analog. And last but not least, full power also turns on the digitizers. And once that's on, you'll see the data starts moving, the raw counts start dithering based on the fact that there's always going to be some small amount of energy moving around on the inputs of your channel inputs. So now we could be seeing data actually happening. The next items in the node status are the arm, start, and trigger. So if we first arm our system, that's the beginning preparation for capturing data. And then next, if we hit start, what this will do is it'll start capturing that pre-trigger data. Remember, we've specified 5 seconds of pre-trigger data. I'll let it run for 5 seconds before we do a trigger. Last but not least, we can go ahead and hit trigger, and we can capture data. And it will continue until it's captured the 200 segments of data, and then also captured the 20 kilohertz post-trigger data. And that's a capture.